Alright guys, welcome back. I know it's been a minute since I haven't made a video, but the reason why is because had a lot been going on with the city, my kid's birthday, and the fact that I had to make these fenders. So this is the thing, we were supposed to do a wide body. Well, we are doing a wide body, guys. So I guess my guy let me know last minute. So anytime you make a fender, man, these things take a while. So this thing was supposed to be done like maybe in a month and a half, but because I had to do the fenders, that pushes out another month. But let me show you guys what we're working on. All right, guys. So there she is. You guys saw this thing be delivered to my house not too long ago. So what we're doing is a wide body, guys. Wide body, custom fenders, custom rear bumper. The whole thing, man. The whole thing. Man, this little guy. So, fenders are almost done. Matter of fact, the next thing would be the rear bumper, which I have it in the garage, not in the garage, in the shed. I just haven't had time to really. Oh, damn! That was not expected. Yo. Oh my God. It should be fine, but damn. I would probably drill some holes in there to allow the water to escape. But yeah, guys, I don't know what happened here. Someone did this. I guess it was a couple police car, so I don't know what's up with that, but it looks like it's rusting from the inside. I don't know, that has to get addressed. But besides that, guys, yeah, this is gonna be really nice once it's done. So let me start by removing all the front fascia and get the fenders, because like I said, they're almost done. All right, guys, so that is fender number one. So that is passenger side. So we're getting there. Again, there it is. Let me take it out so you guys can enjoy its beauty, guys. So it took me a while because I had to put the mesh in, but there it is, man. Again, we got the mesh in there. Again, this is where the wide body is gonna be bolted on. Same thing over there. Again, plain custom, guys. So yeah, let me put it on and see how this thing looks like. All right, so we have a problem right there. Those bolts they seem to be stripped, so I'm gonna have to go back and forth and lubricate it. But overall, guys, what do you guys think, man? Damn, this thing's gonna look so good once it's done, man. Again, I can't wait. Guys, welcome back. Let me turn around. I can't even talk right, man. It's early in the morning, but let me turn around so you guys can see where I'm at. Guys, so last time we left it, like I said, it was fenders were good, the side rocker panel wide body's all good as well. Next thing I'm gonna do is take the fender off that one, in case you guys are curious, because I do get a lot of people that get my custom fenders. And I always tell people, hey, you know, the contract, it does state, you know, put it on before you take it to shop, because I know some shops like to be funny and charge you extra for something minor that you could have prevented. But yeah, my thing is always put it on before you take it to any shop, that way they can see the body lines. and all that good stuff. But yeah, just in case you are guys curious, it's only being held by literally 3 bolts on the top, literally inside, 1 right there, and 2 in the bottom, and 1 in the middle, and 1 in the door. I think out of all of them, the most hard one was going to be here on the side, just because you have to pull out the I think it's the, can't even think of the word, water guard or whatever you want to call it, wheel guard. Pull it out, and there is the bolt right here. It's a 10 mil. Most of them all 10 mil, and then the one you have to be careful and the 2 in the bottom, because they do rust out. So it's always a good idea to spray some W40, lubricate it, go back and forth, that way you can take it out, because one of them busted on me. But overall guys, it's getting there. Like I said, you just gotta take that one. The goal for today, because I have to be at some kind of event later, have both fenders done, have the bottom wide body rocker panel done, and see if I can get that rear bumper installed before the end of the day. See how it goes, guys. And this is what I mean, these bottom ones, again, rusted. So get you some of this, spray it in there, and just rock back and forth, you know, just in case you guys buy one of my custom fenders and you guys have a problem taking that out, or you just want to take your fenders off. Alright guys, so this is where I'm gonna leave it, just because my phone died and don't have enough memory, man. So I gotta go to the store, buy like a memory card, and have more storage, because man, this is recording this like 10 minutes just sitting, it drains my memory. So I'm gonna call it a day, guys, because I got other stuff to do. But just to show you guys the stuff that we have to do just to make it go with the bumper, you know. So it's getting there, guys. It is getting there. Other side, let me show you real quick, guys. That's done. There she is. Put the rocker panels, man. Other side, same thing. Gotta get that fixed. So one thing I did mess up with this one is that other part right here, I threw it away, man, just because the whole city was just on my ass and trying to throw stuff away, and I accidentally threw it away. But it's all good. It's gonna get fixed. Like I said, right now I'm trying to resolve it. Matter of fact, this might be a better option, because I know with the first one I had a trim it here and trim it here, and it was more work. But this just looks like I have to work at one side. So we'll see how it goes. But what do you guys think? Leave your comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, we do provide the rear bumper and the fenders. The fenders we do ship, the rear bumper we don't, just because it's huge and they charge me a lot. But yeah, guys, everything that you see on the car is all fabricated, made through us. You won't find this online. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna let it be. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.